Hello guys, so let's take a look at AUDUSD. I saw some good setups coming in a few days. So let's just look at the structure firstly. So as you can see right here, we had a break of structure to the top and we created this. Let me just check if it's a valid high. No, it's not. So this is our valid high around this point here, and this is our lowest point right there. So the anticipation whenever we see this type of price action is for us to look for buying opportunities. But like in this case, if you take this box here from the low to the high, you can obviously see that we took out the low around here. So after taking out this low here, we had a change of character, and if my memory serves me right, I did analysis on this sell opportunity right here. Let me just do this and to the bottom. So around here we had like some analysis that were done, and I shared the video on the channel where we were anticipating these selling opportunities that came through around this area here, around these certain areas around here. So that is how it went, and if you watch the video you can just comment below. And currently we have this continuation to the downside, giving us a new break of structure to the downside. So which means that this is our high, previous high around this point. Then this is our lower low. This is our lower high. And we had this as a low. Let me just check. Just because you need to make sure that you check all your highs and lows to be sure if like it's valid or invalid. So around here we had this candle here, second candle, then 1 2. So this is a valid low around here. Around here we have a valid low and a valid high. Then we had a lower low, so we are expecting a lower high so that we can get a new lower low maybe around that point. So let's just draw out like the structure that we have. So break around this point, just like that to the downside. So this is a sweep of liquidity around this point here. Sweep, and make sure that you cater for all the sweeps of liquidity, just because sometimes you can get caught in the wrong side whereby the market will try and fill this overall imbalance that we have around this point here, around there. And this is our imbalanced supply zone, and looking at the current structure, which it's this one, we are looking at this high and this low here. And you can also take your Fibonacci tool, that is if you get confused when drawing your supply and demand. So from the high to the low, you can obviously see that we are already above that area that we expect, or above the zero point 0.5 level. And the first area of interest is this one here, this one around this point. So around here we expect to get a candlestick confirmation, or you can just wait for your market structure shift within this area here. And since we did our analysis on the 4-hour time frame, the entries should be on the 15-minute. So looking at the 15-minute, let me just zoom out. Okay, so looking at the 15, what we're going to do is try and refine this current zone that we have here. And I know that we have like multiple zones at the top, and we're still going to cater for each and every one of them. So currently we are going to use this particular zone here. That's where we got that buy to sell. So this is the area that we're going to use. And it seems like we have some type of relatively equal highs around this point, which means that there is liquidity within this trade idea just around here. So let me move back to the 1 hour just to make sure that we are looking at good structures. So I'm gonna remove the fib tool so that you don't get confused. So as you can see, the market is still trying to reach this area of interest, of which it's this one here, so that we can sell them. So I'm gonna leave it at that. And the area that we're also going to look at seems like this one here. Seems like we have like relatively equal highs again around this particular area here. So I'm gonna leave that one just because already we've drawn up like this liquidity pool here. So I'm gonna use this area, of which this should be like the extreme zone on this analysis here. So let me move back to the higher time frame just to make sure that we are refining all the zones correctly, guys. Now, so this is the area that we're also going to use. And as you can see, we had this sweep of liquidity, of which this could be a valid setup for us. And this is your overall imbalanced area. So for the entries, we're looking at the 15-minute. And the first thing that we are going to look for is your market structure shift. So an example of your market structure shift would be the market pushing up, tapping into this area, switch, then we get those nice selling opportunities at the top of the structure right there. And if this does not happen, if we tap into like this area here and this does not happen, just don't take the trade. Just wait for a clean market structure shift, then you can get involved. But like if it doesn't happen, just wait, just because there are a lot of areas that the market could reach. And the last area of imbalance, it's this one here. So that's where you take your risk entries. So let me just pull this back a bit. So here, that's where you can just place your sell limit, and your stop loss should be just above, obviously. And we can just leave out like this area here. Can just leave it out like that, just because I know that sometimes we can just gravitate to the top like this, then sell, just because there is an imbalance after all. So the market tends to feel like those imbalanced areas. So make sure that you check that out. And if you have like any questions, just drop them in the comment section and I'll respond.